What is up, guys, and welcome back to another exciting video. In this video, we're going to be talking about the best way to actually spy on your competitors, right? Because this is a really important way, and it's probably the fastest way to actually go from zero to being a skillful marketer on Facebook or on any platform, right? Look at the people who are making the most money from advertising and then reverse engineer why the things that they're doing are actually working, right? Why their headlines are working, why their copy is working. It's speaking directly to their customer avatar, right? What types of creative are they using? What type of images? What type of pictures? What type of videos and things like that. And so the best ad tool on the market today is actually inside of a tool called Shop Inspect, right? Which is primarily used for e-commerce sellers. It has a bunch of awesome features, but this is actually one kind of hidden tool that I use for my Facebook stuff. So we're gonna actually go ahead and log in really quick. So you can see on the homepage here, inside of hot trending products, Shop Inspect actually shows trending products from across the internet, right? Products that have, leapt up in growth relative to recently, like wall mount flip clocks or portable Bluetooth label printers, or all these kind of random things you would never think about, but are selling like crazy on the internet. But what we want to focus on for this, Facebook ads course is Ad Inspect, right? And what Ad Inspect essentially does is it allows you to see examples of high performing ads for whatever niche you're interested in, right? So if we actually want to just come in here and type coffee, right, we can press search and actually do that, but they actually have some other advanced searches as well, right? You can look on Facebook or Instagram, males or females. You can actually change the age bracket if you're trying to target specific people. You can look at daily likes, engagement on the ads itself, total likes, right? Media type, whether, like I said before, it's photos or videos. You can even see when it was actually created in between, what actual default country you want to look at, and then again, what language you want to search for. So we're going to click search here, and Ad Inspect is going to go out and it's going to scan through millions of different ads. And what we can do here is we can actually see a bunch of different types of ads, right? Dunkin' Donuts makes a lot of sense. Let's raise a cup to all the employees around the country, changing the way they work, right? You can actually watch. You can watch the video here. You can see how many shares and comments and likes, and who they're actually targeting here. You can even see the overall CTA, the link that they're targeting. Help keep a small family business help keep a small family company in business, right? We've extended our free shipping, Barista Joe's, right? This is great. It appeals to a lot of different people, right, who want to support small family businesses, especially with, everything that's happening with the quarantine and things like that. We can see, and again, Dunkin' Donuts, a great example. They're using actual people from the community to actually, show kind of what they're about and what they stand for. Back at it again, partnering with Dunkin', right? My best friend and I didn't see each other for over 3 months. 1 cup at 9 p.m. shrinks belly during sleep. This is probably something about weight loss, but there's a ton of examples, and you can load a significant amount more just by clicking load more. But there's a lot of different things that you can actually do with this. You can, you can target marketers. You can target any type of scenario that you're actually interested in, like golf, or you can even put in websites and things like that. But you can see all types of different games, World Golf, PGA Tour, actual I believe this is a video game as well, different types of golf apparel, things like that. So many different options you can do here. You can do keywords like we just showed, or you can do a specific brand if you want to see ads like from Dunkin' Donuts, for example. You can actually just type that in, and then you can see all of Dunkin' Donuts different ads that you want to see. Similarly, you can actually type in, actual URLs, right? Because it has brands, keywords like coffee, brands like, Dunkin' Donuts, keywords like coffee or golf, or competitor websites. Like if you sold like a camera, for example, and you wanted to go and see, GoPro's marketing right here, right? And they have some of the best video in the game. So Ad Inspect is an incredibly powerful tool to kind of see what the best competition is doing, so you can get ideas about which ads have a ton of impressions, which ads have, a ton of social engagement, and which ads are going to by default show at the top are generally the ones that have the most overall impressions. So it's a very powerful tool to be able to see what some of the other best advertisers are doing, to see if you can add elements that you like from some of the best advertisers in the world. Again, right? Probably shouldn't copy anything, definitely not but it would be foolish not to take, inspiration from these, advertisers that are obviously doing a great job and are obviously getting a ton of sales from their advertising. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and we'll see you on the next one.